Hi, in this video we're going to show you a free app you could use to manage the open windows and programs on your computer. So it's called Menu Tools. So once you download it and install it, it'll run down here in your system tray, right there. And how it works, it adds a right-click menu item to your open windows. So like I have this window here with the File Explorer, website, Word. And if I were to right-click on one of them, you have some options here. You could change the priority from anywhere from real-time to low. Normal is the default. Then you have transparency options. 0 is the default, and you could change it to something, let's say 30%. So it'll only affect that window if you want to have it kind of see-through like that. Up to 50%. Then you just change it back when you're done. Then you can set the always on top to be on by checking that. So now if I click over here and drag this around, it's staying behind it. And then if I minimize this, minimize that, let's bring this one up first, then bring this one up. It's right behind it again. If I open up Word, that's behind it as well too. And then to turn it off, just right click on it and disable it here by unchecking it. And then one cool option this has is the minimize to tray. So if you want to keep something running but hide it so it's not open down here or showing that it's open, just click on minimize to tray. So now it's gone from here, but if you click on your system tray here, you can see that it's open down here. Then you could just double click it to bring it back. And same for, let's try this on the web browser here. So now that's gone. And if we click on Chrome again, it opens a new window. And if we go here, you can see that it's open down there. We could double click it and bring that one back. So it's a pretty handy app you could use to manage your open windows here. So like I said, just install it and you'll have some right click options here. Priority, transparency, always on top, and minimize to tray. And then you could use them as needed. So I will put a link in the description where you can download the tool and you can try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.